So my name is Flynn Sitch-Cunningham. I am the Essentials AV product manager here, including Signagelive. Obviously with Signagelive being one of my vendors here that I've looked after since I started, Carl Bingham and I have had a very good relationship in terms of what we want to do as projects, and having seen some of the projects we've worked on with our customers, we just knew this was going to be the right fit for us. Initiate the conversation with our engineers, and it only took us 3 weeks to make a decision. So we are currently running 90 devices, all running Signagelive across all of the 5 locations that we've currently got on. 2 things that we needed to confirm was obviously proof of play action that we have with Signagelive, and we also wanted to do Microsoft Power BI integration as well. As obviously we are running secure data here at Exertis, but we're also doing things like live call stats that we can integrate via your platform. This was a key decision for us on the technical perspective, and Signagelive offer this as one of their key USPs that we can push to the channel, and it played a big part in our decision to use Signagelive.
My name is Joshua Cornelius. I am the marketing executive for Exertis AV. So we use digital signage on a daily basis in marketing just for the internal screens here at Exertis. So whether that's screens up in Burnley, Basingstoke, Snetterton, whatever office. On the ground floor, it's more of a social floors where our canteen is. So the content on those screens, I know that we normally have, I think it's like BBC News on there. It sometimes flips to either certain initiatives that we got going on, whether it's HR messaging, for instance, like mental health, first aiders, or what we're doing for sustainability. Towards the end of our financial year, we had a big kick-off. We changed all the screens to sort of promote that. I know that at the moment we're going through our sort of brightest star nominations and winners, and we're promoting that on the screens. On the first floor is mainly our enterprise team. I know that the enterprise team are utilising those screens for their own messaging, enterprise messaging, whether that's certain solutions, new products, what have you, on behalf of their vendors.
My name's Carl and I'm the channel sales manager at Signagelive. Yeah, came down to the office, set up that meeting, and it was no different to taking a call with an end customer or a reseller. Just because Exertis are one of our distribution partners, they get treated no differently. We still go through the proper process at Signagelive, where it's understanding the requirements, the pain points, the details, how our platform can overcome these and make their life easier, to be honest.
As far as I'm aware, our technical team didn't face any problems at all, and especially with a mass integration with quite a large fleet of screens and obviously the media players that we are using to do this. We found it simple to use, so much so that once our technical engineers had got this set up within a day, we explored access to give the Signagelive coding over to our marketing team quite quickly. It was an easy solution to run. They got used to it very quickly and are now actively using this. So 1 day with technical, and now we can get the whole company to use Signagelive.
The main challenge that we had before with our sort of internal digital signage is we didn't really have much access to it. So there was one person who was in the company, who's now left and retired, but he managed all of it. So if we wanted to put something on the screens, it was like, oh, you need to talk to this person. Whereas now we all have access, we all have logins to the Signagelive platform. It's really, really easy for us to sort of get our graphic and get it put up on the screens. We can choose how long it's displayed on the screens for.
Hi there, my name is Tim. I am the marketing manager at Signagelive. I know the scale and the scope of what has been done here, especially considering as we're looking at multiple locations as well as multiple floors with that hierarchical structure. I think one of the most important values here is being able to demonstrate that from any level, whether it be distribution, reseller, or the end users that we speak to, that we're able to deliver the same value, and it is the same value. It's about communication, it's about being able to speak to all employees across every levels, including your managing directors, your executives, from the top down, with the same core messaging, which from a branding perspective and understanding how businesses run, it's universal. It's the same conversation. It's about keeping everyone on core message, being able to deliver the value that the company policies or the company kind of key goals and ambitions are looking for, and driving everyone forward in the same motion.
What we tend to do is try and update a leaderboard every week, so change that graphic every week with an update on the leaderboard. And what you find sometimes is at the end of those weeks, the sales guys literally wait for that update to happen to see where are they on the leaderboard, who's beating them. Internally, we want to get to as many people and reach as many touch points as possible. So from a marketing perspective, we're always trying to launch with full integrated campaigns. So whether that's through, e-shots out to our customers and internal, whether it's social, whether it's paid social advertising. Now with digital signage, it's easier for us to integrate that in with our sort of marketing campaigns.
One of our core pillars at Signagelive it is support. That's obviously one of the things that's been delivered to Exertis via what we call our Enterprise Success Package. And what the Enterprise Success Package is it includes modules such as hierarchies, for example, all bundled into one at a discount than if they were to be purchased separately. The other part of that, and is a big selling point, is the support level, the SLA that is included in that. Included in the Enterprise Success Package is the top tier level of support. So Exertis have that direct access to our support team, whether that's by telephone, live chat. That has been part of the success.
I would absolutely recommend Signagelive as a CMS platform or digital signage platform. It's been sort of revolutionary in how we best target our internal comms and our salespeople internally, and really drive sort of buzz around new initiatives or new products or new vendors that we're launching here at Exertis. And in that aspect, yeah, it's just been absolutely fantastic. It's also just really easy to use. So from that aspect as well, just brilliant.
Not only would I recommend the team that I work with at Signagelive, I'd recommend the technical team and everyone else that's been involved with helping Exertis, but also helping us sell to our continuous channel partners that we have as well.